WCBI First Alert AccuWeather forecast with Chief Meteorologist Keith Gibson.
We have some active weather in the region right now. Let's show you a live view from downtown Tupelo, looking back to the north with our Alpha Insurance camera network. Some ominous looking clouds out there across the region. All right, let's go right to our radar situation and show you what we do have going on. This is where we have some active weather in the region. We actually do have a new severe thunderstorm warning that does include, it looks like it's going to include Prentiss and Tishomingo counties here. That storm near Boonville. We're just plotting. We are looking at some rotation being detected here on radar. So notice the flashing polygon here just east of Boonville. This is where there could be some damaging wind potential. We've been looking at this particular storm cell, trying to spin up just a little bit. Tornado can't be ruled out here going into the next couple of hours with some of these storm cells out there. So this is the strongest storm we have right near altitude, moving to the northeast. And it's going to be affecting those of you downstream here, Paden by 5:33, Tishomingo by 5:36, and maybe over there in Iuka eventually as it continues lifting off to the east. So we're monitoring that storm cell right now. Again, just a severe thunderstorm warning at the moment. Farther down the line, New Albany down towards Pontotoc County, some heavier storm cells as well, and some heavier rain in Houston, Chickasaw County down towards Bruce in Calhoun County, and some scattered showers around Columbus and back down to the southwest. But these are not too terribly intense at this point. The strongest storm, of course, in Prentiss County. But we have the tornado watch that continues until 10 o'clock tonight for the yellow shaded areas. So we can't rule out an isolated tornado warning here, maybe even an actual tornado somewhere in the region over the next couple of hours. So have your WCBI mobile app. Will have the latest forecast and the weather alerts. We'll send push alerts for you. And of course, live coverage as we develop here things this evening. Futurecast picking up on the batch of activity that will be moving on through. A lot of this will wind on down by mid to late evening here. The actual cold front will move on through later tonight, and we'll wake up to some cloudy and cooler conditions for tomorrow morning. Down into the mid-50s by sunrise, storms through mid-evening, then turning fairly quiet tonight. You can see those lows in the 50s. For tomorrow, we look at cloudy skies in the morning. By the afternoon, a lot more sunshine. It will be a much cooler day. Temperatures topping out in the lower 70s in many spots here, so not nearly as warm as what we had out there today. And notice our temperature trend here. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, mid-80s, maybe some record highs here behind the system moving through today as high pressure comes on into the region. So stormy this evening, pretty quiet though for the rest of the work week as we start to warm things up dramatically. Here's your AccuWeather 7-day forecast. So 72 tomorrow, 84 Thursday, 85 Friday, Saturday. We may see another round of strong to severe storms on Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. So we'll have more on that later on this week. But right now we'll